Hello and welcome. In this video, I will be showing you how to download Windows updates in settings. Before I start, please subscribe and click the notification bell to never miss out on any of my future videos. This helps me a lot. Thank you so much. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into settings. There are multiple different ways how to go into settings, but I'm just going to show you one of the ways. You're going to press the Windows key, and I'll have a picture of it right here. Should look like this one or this image. You're just going to press that on your keypad. Then you can either type in settings or press the settings right here. Then you're going to click it, and it should open the settings app. The app should look something like this. The next step you're going to do, once this is all loaded up, is you're going to look for update settings, update and security. Should be all the way at the bottom. Alrighty, this is what it looks like. And as you can see here, my system was checked today around 5:20 a.m. But just to be on the safer side, I'm just going to check it right now. Let's say something happened, I don't know, from 5:20 to 11:23. Up and see? So what you're going to make sure to do is just you're going to click that check for updates, and then it should download this. In this case, it's downloading Security Intelligence Update for Microsoft Defender. You can also press View Additional Updates and download them if you need them. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you download Windows updates. Please kindly provide your feedback in the comment section below. This will help me improve. And don't forget to smash a like to this video and click the subscribe button to never miss out on any of my future videos. Thank you so much. See you next week.